Friday, June 30th, last day of the month. It is a Friday, pretty nice. Got the long weekend ahead of me. It's Canada Day on Monday, so that's pretty exciting. Let's get into it. Today we have the Canadian GDP and USD core PCE. Pretty exciting. We had the US GDP and unemployment claims drop, both really good for the US dollar, it looked like. So we are gonna get into it. Gonna change up the style a little bit. We're gonna go immediately into our interesting 5-minute. So let's cruise these sort of baskets we have on the right here and see if we can't find any sort of daily momentum. This was the idea from yesterday, AUDNZD. We were in this upward channel. Price had come down once at about 4:30, so a little bit before I woke up. Was expecting price to come back down and then go to the upward channel. Didn't really happen, and the price eventually came back down, but that's not what we're anticipating getting into at this point. Okay, so we're looking at the watch list on the right hand side. We're just trying to find a pair that is sort of homogeneously doing well. So what do I mean by that? I mean, if it is the primary currency, it is up. If it is the quote currency, it is down. Or if it is the primary currency, it is down. If it is the quote currency, it is up. Just homogeneous. So CADJPY, so the Canadian dollar, not totally homogeneous. It's up on the CAD and up on all the quote pairs. Euro is mixed. It's up on a couple pairs, down on a couple pairs. There we go. The British pound is homogeneously doing well across the board this morning. So let's see if we can find an opportunity to trade it. What we're looking for is a pair that is doing quite well and has some good market structure. The GBPNZD market structure is okay. The only problem is typically like to go for something that's been doing well. For at least a couple days to build up that longer term market structure. So market structure here is we got a bit of higher highs, higher lows, but it's only been since midnight. So for like the past 5 hours. Ideally, we'd see market structure that extends at least a couple days. That's generating higher highs and higher lows, or the opposite. However, we do have a bit of a resistance here. If price were to break above this sort of resistance, I would be inclined on trying to buy towards the upside. GBPCHF. Kind of looks like the opposite. We've got lower highs and lower lows, so we're just trying to match our trend with our daily confluence. Okay, so maybe GBPNZD might be the only one we're looking for, or GBPJPY. GBPJPY has been pretty bullish, but again, market structure just looks a bit more sideways at this moment in time. Okay, CHF is doing quite poorly this morning. Not quite poorly. It's very, very minimally poorly, but it is pretty homogeneous. CHF-JPY is up, and the rest of the quote pairs CHF-JPY is down, and the rest of the quote pairs are up. So suggesting CHF is homogeneously doing pretty bad across the board against all these pairs. And so what we're looking for now is some structure. Okay, it's kind of swapped over to AUDNZD from yesterday. Looks still like it's in this upward channel, but not totally inclined to go either direction with it. NZDCHF, again, CHF is just doing quite poorly, suggesting we should be trying to get into a buy on this pair, at least for the day. GBPNZD, we are kind of monitoring. We'll see what happens when the news comes out. Yeah, in about 6 minutes. Similarly to GJ. What we're going to do is we're going to swap over now quite quickly, head to the 28 Forex pairs, and just scan the hourly, see if there's any good patterns. So what we're looking for are higher highs and higher lows, lower highs and lower lows. This could be a good opportunity. Again, we've been monitoring AUDU for the last couple days. Ideally, if price comes back up to this level, we could be looking for a sell. Just trying to clean up the charts a little bit as we go through, while trying to identify some good opportunities. UJ seems to be doing very bullish. Well, I mean, all the JPY pairs are quite bullish. Similar to the stock indices, sorry. Alright. Okay, we're just gonna leave this guy up here. This is sort of the goal. Here we go. And yeah, that's about it. Very, very quiet morning start. Quickly breeze through everything. July is a new month. Excited to start over. And yeah. So I'll just keep it monitoring for now. Let's see what happens as price reacts to news. That the US dollar is going down, mostly because GBPNZD is typically quite correlated with the US dollar. So let's take a look at Dixie. Sure enough, it is going down. I don't know why GBPNZD is correlated with the US dollar, it just is. actually check out the values. Canadian GDP below expected, core PC at purple level. Interesting. Not super huge news either way. Doesn't feel like it anyways. How's the Canadian dollar reacting? It's kind of going down. Hello. Hey. Good morning. Could possibly get into a long on GJ here. Nice break above this trend line. If we retest back down, we could go up. Alright, so yeah, I would say GJ is the one to watch this morning. Although typically on Fridays, price just fizzles out and stops moving. So not a super exciting day. But anyways, that's it for today's stream. Thanks for coming. Looking forward to starting back up in July. See ya. Good luck.